January 29 is fast approaching and China is feeling festive. Chinese New Year, or the Spring Festival, is the first day on the lunar calendar, and it's a time for renewal, family get-togethers and hopes for good fortune. Chinese people have celebrated the Spring Festival for millennia. As China's most important holiday and a global cultural icon, the significance of Spring Festival was recently highlighted when UNESCO inscribed it on the representative list of the Intangible Cultural Heritage of humanity. Spring Festival is rich with traditions, and my wonderful Chinese colleagues have offered to help me explore some of the stories behind it by selecting a few choice items that have symbolism and tradition woven in them. So, what do we have first? Oh, it feels soft and long. Of course, it's a snake, because 2025 is the lunar year of the snake. The Chinese zodiac includes 12 animals in a cycle, used to represent years and reflect people's zodiac signs and personalities. The snake is known for being enigmatic, intelligent and wise. People born in the year of the snake are believed to share these traits. So let's see if I can name all 12 of the zodiac animals. Starting with rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, snake of course, rooster, monkey, goat or sometimes a sheep, rabbit, dog, pig.
A few moments later.
So if anyone can help me with that one animal that slipped my mind, do leave it in the comments. But for now, pass me that box. Okay, we've got a full one. So, a feather duster. Some, decorations, rhyming couplets. And what's this larger one? A box of sweets. This all screams Spring Festival preparations to me. We've got cleaning, decorating, and of course, shopping and indulgence. Spring Festival celebrations kick off as early as the 23rd of the 12th lunar month and last until the 15th day of the first month, featuring all kinds of rituals and practices. The whole process is called Guonian, which means crossing the year. Prior to the new year, families thoroughly clean their homes to sweep away bad luck and welcome good fortune. After that, it's time to festoon the home with red and gold decorations like spring couplets, auspicious posters, paper cuts, and Nianhua, New Year woodblock prints. These auspicious embellishments symbolise happiness, prosperity, and good luck. Oh, lovely. So look at that, good luck from me to Fu. So what do we have here? I'll go for this one first, a rolling pin. And a fish. Quite obviously, this is all about the New Year's Eve dinner, the feast of all feasts. New Year's Eve is a time for family get-togethers and a grand feast. Fish symbolises abundance because the Chinese word for fish, yu, sounds like surplus. Dumplings shaped like ancient silver ingots represent wealth. No New Year dinner table is complete without these dishes, especially in North China. In what is a seamless link, I am now here, ready to roll up my sleeves and try my hands at dumpling making. Dumpling making dates back more than 2,000 years in China and is a favourite Spring Festival tradition for lots of people. Families gather to wrap mincemeat, vegetables and seasonings in thin, workable dough skin. A bit messy, but a lot of fun. So I don't think I'm going to win any prizes for dumpling making, but there's something really touching about being part of a tradition that's been handed down for generations, and you get to eat it at the end. Win.
This is my first time making dumplings. It's going very well, and then made this absolute masterpiece, so I don't think anyone's going to beat that really.
It's quite cool, I'm enjoying it. As you can see, we have been doing an amazing job, yeah.
It's nice, so we're like preparing for the new year. I know that people are going to their homes and they travel abroad to China.
And, as legend goes, the more dumplings you eat during the new year, the more wealth you'll gain in the year ahead. So the dumplings we made earlier are ready to be eaten. I can't wait to dig in. Here's to eating my way to a prosperous new year. And here comes the final box to fulfill. Aha, I was wondering if these would come. Hongbao. These red envelopes and the money inside are gifted on New Year's Day from older relatives and family friends to younger people in the family. But it's not just about the money, although that is a nice welcome treat, but it's also about passing on good fortune and happiness. On New Year's Day, it's customary to wear new clothes, honour the gods and ancestors, visit relatives and friends, and exchange gifts and hongbao. Today, digital hongbao are shared on apps like WeChat, showing that even age-old customs can adapt to the times. Communities also come alive at this time with temple fairs, dragon and lion dances and lantern shows. From celebrating old traditions to welcoming new beginnings, for those that celebrate Chinese New Year, it's a time for family reunions, sharing joy and good vibes. So here's to a year full of happiness and prosperity. 新春大节, Happy Spring Festival.